Okay, let's go over the answer to the even problems. Number 2, 6.325 times 10 to the 11th power. Number 4, from a decimal to a fraction is 11 over 25. Number 6 is 54. 3 cubed, 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Times 2 is 54. Number 8, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Times 4 is 20. Then you have 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 minus 20 is negative 9. Number 10, 16 minus 9 is 7. The absolute value of 7 is just 7. 4 minus 15 is negative 11. The absolute value of negative 11 is 11. But we have 7 minus 11. That's negative 4. Number 12, divide by negative 5. Since we're dividing by a negative, we want to switch the arrow, reverse it, and 5 goes into 35, 7, and there's 1 negative. Number 14, I add 6, that gives me 7. I'm just adding, so I just keep the arrow the same. And if I graph that, there's a bar, so that means the bar means that it's a solid dot, so I put a solid dot at 7. And we shade with the arrow, goes to the left, so you shade to the left. So these are all the solutions. Anything less than 7 is the answer. 7 and anything less than it. Number 16, we add the exponents. 2 minus 9, that's negative 7. It's 7 to the negative 7th power. Okay, now switching over to the back side. 7 goes into 28 4 times, so we have a 4 up on top. We have 2 more A's up on top than on the bottom. And we have 7 more B's on top than we do on the bottom. Right? Because there's more A's on top, so we have 2 more A's. And on the top here, for the B's, we have 7 more B's than the bottom. On number 20, you multiply the exponents. And so it's 4 squared A14 B to the 4th. So 4 squared is 16. 4 times 4. So here's our answer. On 22, it's negative exponents. That means it's on the wrong side of the bar. So it's 4 squared on the bottom. 1 up on top, and 4 squared is 16. Not too sure if you can see that or not, but I added 1/4 to both sides. And that gave me 8 over 20 and 5 over 20. 8 and 5 is 13. The answer is 13 over 20. Number 26, I use distributive property. 9 times 3a is 27a. 9 times 4b is 36b. That's positive. Going at the top of the page, they both have 9 in common. So I'll pull out a 9. And that's going to be x minus y. 9 times quantity x minus y. Number 30, the variable is letter B. The exponent is 4. The constant is a number by itself, that's 8. And the coefficient is the number next to the variable, that would be 2. Number 32, what property is this? Let's see, the order is the same, 7, 4, 2, 7, 4, 2. It's just that our grouping is different. Here we have 7 and 4, and here we have 4 and 2. That's the associative property, and that's multiplication. Number 34, the perimeter of this, I just simply add all the sides together. 2a, a plus 3, and 5a plus 1. Okay, those are all the sides. I add them together. I take all the the A's. This is a 1A right there, the invisible 1. So that's plus 1A. And I have a plus 5A. 2 and 1 makes 3, and 5 makes 8. 8A. Then I look at my numbers. I have positive 3 and positive 1. 3 and 1 makes 4. 8A plus 4. Do not combine them. Excuse me. Yeah, if you combine them, they would be wrong. So, these are unlike terms. Number 38, I have 31, and then I have these negative numbers. Together, same signs you add. So negative 2 and negative 3 makes negative 5. So really, I have 31 and negative 5. 31 minus 5. 31 minus 5 is 20. What is that? 6? 26. And there's more positive, so it's positive. Number 40, they have 3 to the 4th, that's 4 3s. And 2 of them make 9. So I have 9 times 9, that's 81. 81 is the answer.